Hey everyone, how you doing? So today I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to text in Notion. It's very useful when you have files that you are trying to import into Notion, and especially if it's a PDF file, you don't have to use a third-party software called I Love PDF, etc. You can directly import your PDF file into Notion and convert it into text. Let me show you how. So let's import a PDF file here. And remember, you have two options here. One is PDF embeds, and the second is PDF import. You always have to select PDF import to get the file. So I'll import my file, and it will take a couple of seconds to import. Just to give it, yeah. So it's imported now. As you can see, my file is here, and I have to turn it into text. So I'll just click into three dots here, and I'll just click this turn into text. As you can see, the PDF file has been turned into all text. It's actually the transcript of one of my videos. So, and then after it's imported into Notion, you can just format it however you want. So I'll just delete this and just turn this into heading one. Let's create some paragraphs, and yeah, it's very easy actually. So you don't have to use any third-party tool anymore. You can directly import your PDF into Notion and turn it into text. So I think it's very useful. I hope you like this video, and please like, share, and subscribe. I hope it was helpful. uh, See you in the next video. Bye bye.